Hello friends, welcome to our another interesting project, and this is going to be Glassmorphism effect. Yes friend, for this we will be having just a div with a class of glass. Yes friend, that's it. Let's come to our head. Just first I will try to make you understand what is Glassmorphism effect. First we will achieve that and then we will enhance it. Okay, so inside style, let's target body, position relative, display flex, align items center, justify content also center, and background and yeah, this is a linear gradient. And height, let's provide 100% viewport height. Let's take a look that how it is looking. Okay, all right. Next, let's come to glass. Oops, dot glass. Here comes the most interesting part. The thing is, let's provide a width of say 300 pixel. Height, let's make it 600 pixel. Let's provide a background of white but of 0.1 opacity. So let's take a look that how it is looking. No, it's becoming too big. 300 is fine. Height, let's make it 400. Yeah, this is kind of fine. Okay, let's provide a box shadow of 0, 0. Let's blur it 10 pixel. RGBA, it's going to be 0, 0, 0, but opacity, let's make it 0.5. Let's take a look. No, let's make it 20 and opacity, let's make it 0.2. Yeah, this is kind of fine. Next, let's add a really important property, and that is backdrop filter. Yes friend, backdrop filter, and this is going to be blur. Yes, and here how much you want to blur it. Let's provide it 10 pixel. Let's hit save. Now you can say that how is it getting blurred? Well, instead of linear gradient, let's provide an image. So background, not color, background URL sci-fi.png, which we have used earlier. Background repeat, no repeat, background size, let's make it cover. Let's hit save and now see. Did you notice what happened? This is our background image, right? And this is our glass. This is our glass div. Yes, friend. Now let's do one thing. Let me remove it. So now you got the concept, right? Now the thing is, let's make it interesting. How? That we are going to see in our next lecture. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.